Hello, guys. Once again, welcome to the Trading Ambience JPY Outlook. So, today we are framing the current technical narrative within the context of Japan's shifting macro backdrop from monetary policy normalization to fresh fiscal catalyst. The Bank of Japan has recently lifted its policy rates to a multi-decade high, and it left it unchanged in the subsequent meetings. So, reflecting ongoing inflationary pressures and a gradual departure from decades of ultra accommodative policy. So, these macro adjustments, combined with the evolving government stimulus plans and the recent political developments that have boosted the yen in the short term, is feeding directly into the behavior of the yen PS crosses across the forex market. So let's dive into the market. Let's see how the market, how the yen pairs are, are performing against every other currency. So we are starting with USD JPY. So on USD JPY, in the recent week, I talked about this I made a post about this eye and we discussed a bit about it. So we have this eye remains there, previous eye, and ascending, approaching that previous eye, we have an ascending structure. This ascending structure right here. So, and within this ascending structure, we have this ascending structure as well. This is a M cell pattern for me. We have this previous high on the daily time frame. Then the price pushed higher to take out this high, then dropped aggressively. So we have a bearish impulse out of this ascending structure on the daily time frame. So going down to the mid time frame, on the mid time frame, we have this ascending channel, which is a bearish continuation structure for me, bearish impulse, mid time frame, bearish continuation structure. So right at this up, we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. So the price broke out of this mid time frame structure within the within this structure and painted a continuation structure for me. So yesterday I placed my entry below here. The price took me in and currently running in profit. So I'll be looking forward to see the price print another continuation structure here and see if we can if it will be clean enough to take us to this low on the mid time frame for USD JPY. So let's quickly check out AUD JPY as well. On AUD JPY on the higher time frame, you can see what we have here. We have a clean bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure, and you can see the price uh, has taken out this high before, dropped down aggressively, then started moving back to that high to test that high again. So approaching this high on daily time frame, for me, this is a bullish impulse and this is a bearish reversal structure. So going down to the mid time frame on AUD JPY, within this daily time frame reversal structure, the price hits this high, the fifth wave is about to start dropping down now. In my opinion, if you are trading earlier to, if you know this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're about to see that leg down. So for me, this is a double top or M cell pattern for me. So I placed my entry below here, and price took me in this morning on AUD JPY. So I'm hoping the price will drop to at least somewhere around this low on the AUD JPY. So CAD JPY as well on the weekly time frame, we have a clean bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. So the price has been playing around here for a while. So right here we have a bearish impulse, and on the daily time frame, you can see we have this bearish impulse, and to me this is a bearish continuation structure. So approaching this high, we move there with an impulse, reversal structure, impulse, reversal structure. Then the price pushed out of this reversal structure. So going down to the mid time frame on CAD we have this bearish impulse and a pullback here, which looks like a continuation structure to me. So right at the top of this place, we have this left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder. So I place my entry below here on CAD and the price has taken me has activated already. So I'm looking forward to see the price drop down a bit, at least to somewhere around this low on CAD. So for CHF on the daily time frame, we have this ascending structure. We have this ascending structure, and price is presently at the eye of that ascending structure. So go down to the mid time frame. Right here, we have another ascending structure, ascending wedge, and the price has broken out to already. So I'm looking forward to see a type of bearish continuation structure here that will push the price uh, down to this low on CHF JPY. Euro JPY, another interesting pair. On the weekly on the weekly time frame, we have this clean bearish impulse, and we have a bearish continuation structure right here on Euro JPY. So going down to the daily, the price has been playing around there for a while. We have an ascending channel here, ascending channel on the daily time frame approaching that higher time frame high. So on the daily time frame, the price has already broken out of this structure, and going down to the mid time frame, we have a bearish impulse, and we have a bearish continuation structure. And looking at this on the mid time frame, we have this left shoulder, we have this edge that's also serves as double top, then we have a right shoulder right here. So within this structure, right above here, going down to the lower time frame, we have this bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. So I placed my entry below here, price took me in, and we are already moving down on Euro JPY. So next in line is New Zealand JPY. So on New Zealand JPY, if you going up to the weekly time frame, we have this bearish impulse, a bearish continuation overall structure. So the price approached this high with uh, this wedge and broke out aggressively to the downside. And going down to the daily, for me, we have three touches already. This is one, two, three, and this is a bearish impulse, a bearish continuation structure for me. So approaching the high of this bearish continuation structure, we have this ascending wedge for me on New Zealand JPY. So going down to the mid time frame, we have this ascending wedge, and we have a bearish impulse right from the top of this ascending wedge and a bearish continuation structure. So if this fits your plan, you can just place your entry here, stop loss above it. But for me, I will rather wait for the price to break out of this structure and print a bearish continuation structure for me on the lower time frame or mid time frame, then see if the price will push down to this low on New Zealand JPY. So that wraps the trading ambience JPY PS outlook, where macro meets structure. With the yen price action being driven by both BOJ policy expectations and political economic development in Japan, JPYPS remains sensitive, very sensitive to changes in inflation, fiscal measures, and global risk sentiment. So keep these macro trends in your tape as they will continue to shape key levels and directional conviction on JPY crosses. Stay disciplined, let price confirm your thesis, and we'll be back with the next update. Thank you.